Mm.
Do long nails interfere in enlightenment?
Huh?
Do long nails interfere in enlightenment?
In the hand. Who told you?
I was just contemplating today when I was seeing my
No, no,
hand.
no, no. You can enjoy. Only thing, take care that you don't put chemical nail polish in the right hand where you eat. Do you eat with a hand or spoon?
Spoon.
No, you should learn the habit of, because the food needs to be, the sparsha should happen, and the touch, touch is the way you respect food. Mahadeva very clearly says, touch and feel. Actually, he goes to the extreme of saying, touch with both hand. I thought, come on, in our day-to-day life, we don't use the left hand, but he gives instruction, touch with both hand with reverence, and eat with both hands, he is telling. He gives instruction. Actually, when I am alone in my room, I eat with both hands only. I wash completely, but I eat with both hands only because he gives instruction in Kamikagama to touch with both hands and eat with both hands. Actually, he gives instruction how to wash yourself. No. Even morning after going for 1, 2, 3, how to sit and go, and after going, how you should wash yourself, how many times, how you have to teeth brush. He gives such a beautiful instruction. So hygienic. So hygienic. Cleaning your eyes, and even this, what do you, the threading, threading, English, the threading, eyebrow threading and all, he gives instruction. How to do, no, really, how to do threading, he is giving instruction in Kamikagama. For men also. He is not saying men should do it, but who wants, for them he is giving instruction. So, in every step he is giving instruction, and what kind of which stick you should use, what powder, what should be the powder with which you brush, all that. Mahadeva speaks elaborately about it, but he gives the instruction to eat with both hands, because people will not accept. I just left it, and I am not telling people to do, but I myself eat with both hands. When I am alone, I wash the hands completely, and I easily eat with both hands. So don't eat with spoon. Eat with both hands. Keep your hands good for eating with both hands.
Swamiji.
Yes.
Swamiji, okay. I have a question. When you're mixing the rice and the sambar or rasam, is it okay for you to touch the palm?
Yes,
The
yes,
palm.
yes,
It's good.
Yes.
Okay.
Nicely mix and eat.
Okay.
Swamiji, I should say. So when, like we've experienced that when, one person or two persons hold a word or a letter in the inner space, and it's very easy to read. So is that mirror neuron, or is it more than that?
I can say mirror neuron, and if you compare, actually mirror neuron in much higher zone.
Swamiji,
See,
deeply said.
how to find out what you are having is doubt or suspicion. If it is doubt, the moment master answers, you are ready to internalize and celebrate. If it is suspicion, you are not interested in his answer. You have come to the conclusion. One of my disciples asked me once, Swamiji, are you enlightened? Are you capable of awakening my Kundalini? I looked at him and asked, is it doubt or suspicion? He said, doubt. I said, yes, that's all. After that, never he asked me that question again, and he has become sannyasi. No, he has become sannyasi. He owns, understand, he owns 3 spinning mills and 5 cinema theatre, something like a 200 crore business in Tamil Nadu. Only one word. I said, yes. He is my sannyasi in the ashram. He has handed over all the business to his sons. He has 2 sons, both sons, and 1 son and 1 daughter-in-law. Both of them are helping and each other, taking care of the business. He left and see, what Vivekananda asked Ramakrishna, have you seen God? It's a doubt, not suspicion. And Vivekananda, Ramakrishna said, yes, I have seen, seeing much more than the way I see you. I can show you, come on. He just walked behind. People ask me many times, the youngsters, this Tamil Nadu college boys, they come and ask me, Swamiji, are you enlightened? Have you seen God? And can you awaken my Kundalini? I'm asking you like Vivekananda asked Ramakrishna. I tell them, when Ramakrishna answered Vivekananda, simply Vivekananda walked behind Ramakrishna and lived with him. And come on, do it. I'll show you. Most of the time, stupid suspicions are hidden in the name of doubt. And finally, it is going to hurt you, not me. See, internalizing means analyzing for the sake of internalizing. Analyzing for the sake of internalizing. Then everything will help you. Even the worst things in your life will help you. Even the worst things in your life will help you. But if you are sitting with suspicion to reject, even if God is in front of you, will be asking for ID card. And even if the Guru is in front of you, do you have the certification that you can awaken Kundalini? Good, it is not given as a PhD certificate.
Swamiji, deity side?
Yes.
So in terms of like the mirroring neurons, I have a sister who I sometimes refer to as like a dark cloud, where she can be very just negative, and you can feel it, like palpable. So is there a way to, like, if you know, once we're in that like virtuous
See, I am
cycle,
telling you, if you can help her teaching a simple completion of asking her to find her biggest suffering and doing the reliving. It'll help her in such a big way. Then she will start listening to the next level.
Okay.
Give her a simple completion initiation.
Okay. And then is there a way to, if she wasn't into that, to kind of protect from mirroring what she's giving? You know what I mean?
Oh, you can be protected. From now onwards, don't worry. She's not that powerful to enter into you because I am sitting there. Don't
Okay.
worry.
Okay. Good.
I just wanted to share. I have been through a lot of all kinds of processes and trying to get through my own in the past using all kinds of methods, NLP, Gestalt, and things like that. And the same patterns would have emerged. But this is the first time through this process, I actually had compassion for myself.
Understand?
Yeah.
I tell you, the love you awaken to yourself is the boon for life. That is what we call in Sanskrit. Mahadeva calls it Pratyagatma Chaitanya Jakrata. The individual awakens to himself.
Because in all the other methods that I've been through, you berate yourself, you get angry at the end of it, and you say, why the hell, why me? But this time, right from the start, from starting from looking at the mirror image to, our inner image, to what we did yesterday, I realized more and more I was completely at ease, although especially the first time, 150 times repeating, I'm a fool, I'm an idiot, and whatever. But I did it with such compassion, and amazing. And it could not have happened without you.
Thank you for certification.
Thank you.
Which I need badly for somebody.
One more thing that I wanted to ask is, what's wrong with I was a complete left-hander when I was a child.
Nothing is wrong with left-handers.
Okay.
Nothing is wrong. And Mahadeva allows the left-handers to conduct all the rituals and ceremonies, including initiation.
With left hand?
With yes, he allows the left-handers everything, and most of my actions you can see will be left hand. Even in energization you will see I will be using both hands.
Thank you. Okay.
Swamiji, like hesitation towards Guruji and so what is that? Actually, we are here means we are already surrendered ourselves.
No,
at
what I
your
am
feet.
saying, it's actually agitation towards you, but you don't know what to do. I am the only one, the moment you open your eyes, I am the only one sitting tall in the front, so hit him. You understand? And whoever is in front of your eyes, they get your blessing. Otherwise, what to do? And I also wait, okay, come on, vomit it out. See, if it is really a doubt, I am ready to receive the punches if he can evolve. If you are going to become a great wrestler, I am ready to be a punch bag. But if you are stupid to hurt yourself with suspicion, why should I waste my time? I have so many other disciples who are waiting for me. Go and hit your own head anywhere you want and scratch. You understand? If somebody is really interested in growing, I am ready to be punch bag. That is nothing wrong.
Generally, what we chant, I surrender ourselves to you, and I
See what I am
exist
saying?
like that.
I am not even demanding surrender. I am not demanding surrender. I only ask, come with the space, not to prove that I am wrong. If you are trying to prove I am wrong, you are going to prove your impossibility. Because I am your possibility.
Yes, yes.
If you are working your hard, collecting all your logic and strength and everything, trying to prove I am wrong, I will be sitting. Understand? Then you are proving your impossibility. You are proving to yourself that nothing can happen to you. No growth is possible for you. If that is what you have decided, then what can I do? Okay, tatastu. Nothing can be done. Understand? I am not asking you should surrender. Just come with a mood. Let me see. I think he is doing it for many people. Maybe he will be able to or yes or no, whatever. But let me not use all my power and energy, intelligence, logic to disprove. And you don't need to use all your logic to prove what I am saying. Understand? These kids, when they come, they don't have the vested interest to disprove me. That is enough for me to awaken their kundalini.
Correct.
That is enough for me to awaken their energy. That is enough for me to awaken their third eye. All I am asking is, do not have the decision, I am going to disprove you. Then what to do?
Thank you so much.
And when you are trying so hard to disprove me, I say, ஆனந்தமா இருங்க, ஆனந்தமா இருக்க விடுங்க. Be blissful. Let me be blissful. See, it is the mind which always, ultimately, I am showing a great possibility which whole society teaches you impossible. Understand? So it is literally I am saying, the Ganga is turning towards Himalayas. And you say, how can that be? But it is happening in Varanasi. Ganga is Uttaravagini here. How many of you know that? She is completely turning towards Himalayas. Take the Google map and see. That is why she is called Uttaravagini here. Here she turns towards Himalayas. The land geography is such. She turns towards Himalayas, and that's the way she takes darshan of Vishwanatha. See, the Dasashwamedha Ghat. If you Google Dasashwamedha Ghat, it's a true north. He comes and hits Dasashwamedha Ghat. It's a true north. See the Google map. See Google Map. It's true north. The Sasmeda Ghat is true north, and she is hitting the true north and taking a turn and moving. Geographical. It is, you see, actually there is one zone which is higher, so she can't go there. She is moving this way and going back. What I am saying, you see, I am trying to give you the possibility which society made you believe for 35 years, 40 years, 50 years. What's your age? 50 years. 50 years what society told you impossible, I am trying to show it as a possible for you.
That's what we are feeling, we are too late like that.
No, I understand, but what I am saying, when I am trying to show that possibility, if you just don't use all your energy to prove I am wrong, that is enough, I can help you. And one more thing, if you are even having at least certain respect, even the corruption done inside you by the society, I can remove and sit with the patience and lend my hand. Understand?
Thank you.
But when you are saying Bush, okay Bush, what to do? It finally boils down to whether you are really interested in growing or you are just interested in making more and more self-denial. And I tell you, once you deny me and lock the door for your possibility, no one will be able to open the door. It is like the butterfly decides it cannot break this cocoon and go out and dies inside as caterpillar. Understand? See, egg, if it is broken from outside, life is lost. If it is broken from inside, new life happens. So I wait for you to open from inside by distributing my heat. I am sitting and hatching. What else you think I am doing now? I am hatching by constantly sitting and waiting for you to come out. Understand, your success is my celebration. And I am not, it is stupid to be jealous of me. It is stupid to be jealous of me. Your success is my celebration. Understand? I am waiting like mother, waiting for her babies to come out. I am waiting for your possibilities to open. I am sitting here with my tremendous love and compassion, not to cheat you, not to exploit you, not to waste your time. I am intelligent enough and responsible enough for your life and your ambitions and your reality. What you want to achieve as your reality. Understand? I am sitting here with a tremendous compassion to hate you, not hate you. Otherwise, I am not fool to sit for hours. See, if you think I am doing this as a business without capacity, all the capacities I have, my ability to talk, my ability to administer, my ability to, see, by now many of my physical world abilities have already I have demonstrated. The way I am able to organize, the way I am able to think, and the way I am able to present, the way I am able to inspire. With all this capacity, if I start a IT company, I will become a billionaire long before. I would have become a $1 billion company long before. With my memory, with my ability to convince people, with my ability to administer, understand, I am here really with the responsibility and capability to help you to see your possibility. I know what I am doing, and I am master of what I am doing, and I can wait for you to hatch and come out. Now it's up to you.